What happens after a Marchman Act? What happens after a Marchman Act is a question many families face when dealing with a loved one struggling with addiction. The Marchman Act is a Florida law that allows for involuntary treatment of individuals who are unable or unwilling to seek help for substance abuse. Once a petition is filed and accepted by the court, a series of steps unfold to ensure the individual receives the necessary care. The process kicks off when a family member or guardian files a petition, often accompanied by a physician's certificate. This petition is crucial as it sets the legal framework for the intervention. After filing, a court hearing is typically scheduled within 10 days. During this hearing, a judge reviews the petition and decides whether to approve it. If the judge approves the petition, law enforcement steps in. They serve the individual with the Marchman Act order. At this point, the individual may agree to enter treatment voluntarily. If they refuse, law enforcement has the authority to take them into custody and transport them to a designated treatment facility, hospital, or detox center. Once the individual arrives at the treatment facility, a qualified professional conducts an assessment. This assessment helps determine the appropriate level of care and treatment needed. The Marchman Act allows for various types of involuntary admissions, including protective custody and emergency admissions. After admission, the individual receives stabilization services. These services are essential for managing withdrawal symptoms and starting the treatment planning process. The goal is to create a safe environment for the individual to begin their recovery journey without the immediate influence of substances. Throughout this process, the court remains involved. They oversee the treatment progress and ensure that the individual's legal rights are protected. If the individual stabilizes and agrees to continue treatment voluntarily, they can remain in the program under standard care protocols. However, if they do not agree, the court may extend the involuntary treatment period based on medical recommendations. In practical terms, after a Marchman Act intervention, the individual is placed in a structured treatment setting. Here, medical and behavioral health professionals provide detoxification, counseling, and rehabilitation services. Family members often receive support and education to assist in the recovery process. The Marchman Act serves as a vital tool for those who may not recognize their need for help. It transitions individuals from a state of crisis into a controlled environment focused on assessment, stabilization, and treatment. This process balances the need for timely intervention with the protection of personal rights, ensuring that individuals receive the care they need while respecting their legal rights.